Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Hey people, what's up? Today we are going to learn how to properly boil pasta. I'm using macaroni. Bring your water to a rolling boil like you see. You want to put some salt in it. You want to put more salt in it than you would normally put in a dish that you're going to eat. So you put a little more salt in it. Hey, while you're watching, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment. I do appreciate you watching. Alright, so let's continue on. You want to get your pasta in the water after you get the salt in there. And you want to bring your water back to another rolling boil. However, right here you want to give your pasta a stir. You want to leave your pasta sitting in the pot, sticking together. You don't want it to do that. So it's important right there and a couple minutes after this that you give your pasta a quick stir. Don't forget that. Now, you want to boil your pasta anywhere between 8-10 minutes, not more than that. What happens is you can't see it really well here. I attempted to show you al dente. Al dente is when you cut that pasta or you bite into it and you see a little white part in there where it's not done all the way. If your pasta has to go into the oven or it has to cook a little more on top of the stove, you want to do it al dente. But if you're going to serve it right away, you do not. You want to cook your pasta all the way. So at this point, after it's al dente, I'm going to use this to make a dish now. So what happens after it's al dente, turning the fire off, and I'm going to leave it right here for 1 to 2 more minutes. Now, if it's al dente and you leave it in this boiling water for 1 to 2 more minutes, this is what happens. Even after you turn the fire off, you get perfectly cooked pasta. You see that? Perfectly cooked. It is ready and it is firm. You do not want soggy pasta or it feeling rubbery or anything like that. So now, at this point, you want to drain it. You want to drain it. You want to get it into a bowl. And by the way, I forgot to mention, don't put oil on your pasta while you're boiling it. It's not necessary. If you want to put oil on your pasta, now is a good time. As soon as it is done here, you want to put a little bit of olive oil on it just so it doesn't stick together when it starts cooling off. At this point, if this pasta is spaghetti or it's another pasta and it's going to get like a sauce put on top of it or something, then you want to put a little seasoning in here. So maybe pureed onions, or you want to put some onion powder, oregano, basil, Italian seasoning, something like that. You want to put something so that your pasta has some flavor. Always flavor your dishes every step of the way. And that is it. We have learned to bake pasta perfectly. See y'all next time. Thanks for watching Savory Spices. See y'all next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.